Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use an image from your device as the background of your edits in CapCut Mobile. So first you can just finish your edits or add your videos into CapCut. And after that, click on your video and adjust it. So I'm going to make the video smaller like this, and to change the background you can go to the background option here, then click on the image here, click on this icon plus image icon here, and then just select the background that you want. So for example, I'm going to use this picture as the background. Click on the check icon, and as you guys can see here, the picture that I choose or select is now on the background. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.